everyone. Thanks for tuning in to learn a little bit more about Honest Medical Group as you are deciding about your longitudinal care experiences. So, a little bit about myself. My name is Allie. I'm actually an alumni of the University at Buffalo. I graduated in 2020. And then I went on to residency. I did my PGY1 at the VA here in Western New York. And now I work for Honest Medical Group. So my information is on this slide if you have any questions for me after this presentation and want to know a little bit more about my site. So about this rotation, this will be a 6 to 12 week experience. And this rotation will satisfy your ambulatory patient care experience, as well as any one of electives 1, 2, or 3. So a little bit more about Honest Medical Group. So Honest Medical Group partners with local primary care groups, and the goal is to improve the care experience and reduce costs for people with Medicare. So Honest has partners all across the country. However, this rotation will take place in Buffalo, New York. So as I mentioned, we do have different sites all over the country, and even in New York, in Buffalo, we have several different clinics. You'll have the opportunity to be in clinic 4 days a week with 1 day of admin where you would be remote 1 day per week. And the clinic sites will likely vary, giving you an opportunity to experience patient care in several different clinics within our network. So a little bit more about who we're working with. Our care team is largely intercollaborative with the patients at the center. So you'll be working with other students such as yourself, pharmacists, providers, APPs like PAs and NPs, dietitians, social workers, nurses, and probably several other members of the care team. So more about what we do and what we offer to these primary care groups. So the mainstay of what we do is going to be comprehensive medication management. So there's a variety of different disease states that we'll be offering this for. So this includes diabetes, heart failure, COPD, and smoking cessation, in addition to several others. However, diabetes will be the main focus of our comprehensive medication management service. We also provide comprehensive medication reviews, and this will largely be a part of a transitions of care program. On a day-to-day basis, we also answer several clinical triages or consults, and this has a wide range of clinical topics. And you can see some examples listed below, but this can be due to deprescribing consult, therapy optimization, such as which is the best drug in class, cost concerns, ID stewardship, supplement review, and the list kind of goes on. But one theme that you'll see is that this rotation will give you an opportunity to evaluate a patient holistically. So taking a look at their med list and evaluating it for appropriate dose, medication safety, the class and the appropriateness, as well as keeping in mind the cost. It's also going to give you the opportunity to work collaboratively with providers in order to optimize these medications and interact directly with the patients to offer motivational interviewing and counseling on their medications and devices. So a little bit more about what we're going to be doing over 12 weeks and skills that you can gain from this rotation. So as I alluded to, this rotation is going to give you an opportunity to participate in advanced patient care. So as I mentioned, this is going to include comprehensive medication management. It's going to include drug and device counseling and collaboration across the care team. In addition to patient care, it's going to give you an opportunity to participate in clinical analytics. This is kind of a broad term, but what becomes very important in providing value-based and cost-effective care is understanding the Medicare structure and how we have to interact with insurances and formularies to make sure that what we're doing and the care we're providing is affordable and still effective. So this brings in kind of a more business analytic aspect if that's something that you're interested in. This opportunity will also give you an opportunity to participate in layered learning and develop your presentation skills. So we will give you the opportunity to do topic discussions. And one thing is that if you're interested in a certain topic, you can bring it up to me, and I'm happy to discuss that with you in detail, which is a really great way for you to learn more about something that you might not have great knowledge on. And that's a great opportunity you should take advantage of as a student. There's also opportunity to participate in journal club and literature analysis if that's something that you're interested in. And this goes along with opportunities to present not only to present to your peers, but also with providers. So this whole layered learning is something that you'll definitely get a deep dive into, and we can kind of increase that as much as you're interested in that. It's also going to give you an opportunity to enhance your documentation and communication skills. It'll give you skills in learning proficiency in the EMR that we use, as well as clinical note writing. And a theme that I keep bringing up is just going to be enhanced and advanced interactions with patients and providers. So you'll learn those skills as well. So why choose honest? So this rotation is going to give you really great experience in the outpatient or ambulatory care setting. It's going to give you an opportunity to enhance your skills in various different ways, as we just discussed, and it's a highly customizable experience. So I think that's unique about this rotation is that we can really make it to be whatever you want it to be. So if you're really into presenting, if you're really into literature analysis, we can kind of do more or less of that to what you're hoping to get out of this rotation. It's truly a you get what you put into it and what you want to get out of it type of rotation. And this is going to give you really great experience as you're looking forward to graduating next year, whether that's residency or in the outpatient setting, or even if you just want to get a kind of varied experience to take onto your next rotation, this will be a really good experience for you. Thank you guys so much. I hope you're as excited about this rotation as I am. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all. My contact information is on the second slide. Thanks so much. Bye.